So there's a new update right now on Taobao, guys. So I've been trying to create a Taobao account for the past like a month now, but I just abandoned it because I was having problem with the captcha issue, guys. So I was unable to fill in the captcha because for the years I've been dealing with online business, online space and everything. I have never seen that type of captcha before. In fact, I even use ChatGPT to tell me the right answer. I still choose I screenshot, tell ChatGPT to choose the right answer. Choose same thing still doesn't work. So I just believe that probably it is their issue or anything. Maybe they are having issue with their app or something. So I just abandoned it until recently. Then I just come back to it to try it again. Then I see that there is actually a new update. So right now I can create Taobao account. And if you want to create a new 1688 account, guys, you need Taobao. Yes, you need Taobao, guys. You can't just create a 1688 account just like before, how we used to do it before. So now you need Taobao account. You need to link your Taobao account to your 1688 account. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the updates, guys, on how to create a new Taobao account without even stressing too much. That's why I have my second phone right here, guys. Now I'm going to be showing you the process on how to go about it, guys, because I already go through the process on another account. So I created another account, so I already go through the process. So I'm going to be showing you how, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into my phone, guys. So the first thing that we need to do is download the Taobao app. So if you don't know what Taobao is or anything, so Taobao is just like 1688. So it's a marketplace where you can also buy stuff from China, guys. So what you first need to do is to download your Taobao app, guys. So when you download your Taobao app, you are going to be having this screen, guys. So when you have this screen, what you need to do now is you need to click on this section right here. So you see this green sign. So I'll be putting the picture on my screen, guys, so you will see it, guys. So you see this green sign, that is what you need to follow, guys. So you need to follow exactly my step in this video so that you won't get lost in anything, guys, and you can have your account created successfully without any issue. So all you need to do is click on this green sign. So when you click on this green sign, you're going to be having this option. So you see this option, this is where the new updates comes in, guys. So before, we don't have all these options. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have like 6 different ways on how to create the Taobao app. So before, it is only like Alipay. So what we need to do is link our Alipay together. So doing that method of linking our Alipay to our Taobao account, that is when I will come up you come up with this captcha issue and everything. So we'll be unable to fill in the captcha and everything. So like I said, so this is a new update. And if you don't have this on your phone, guys, what you just need to do is just update your Taobao account. And if you are just downloading your Taobao now, I'm very, very sure that it will come with this update, guys. So after you have this screen right now, so there's Google, there's Apple, there's Facebook, there's Mail, there's I think Apple or something like that. I don't really know what that is. And there's also Alipay. So the best way and the best thing I would advise anybody to sign up with is the Google. So what is Google? Google is like your mail, your Gmail. So you sign up with your Gmail, guys. So let's click on Google. So as you can see right here, you click on Google, and don't forget, guys, you need to check these 2 boxes down here. So what you need to do is after you check all these boxes, then you click on the Google. So that's what you need to do. So after you click on the Google, you are going to be having this screen. So when you have this screen, guys, the next thing you need to do is not too much, guys. Just click on this green section right here that I like, guys. So when you also click on this thing, the next thing now is you're going to be having this screen, so which is very good, guys. So you see this screen, what you need to do is fill in your Gmail, guys. So you can use any Gmail. If I use the new Gmail or your old Gmail or anything, guys, just put in your Gmail. It might be email, it can be Yahoo Mail, it can be anything, guys, but I would advise you to use gmail.com, guys. So just input your gmail.com. Then after you do that, then you have this issue of use your passkey to confirm if it's really you. I don't know if it's Apple's on like Android or anything, but I use iOS, you can see it. So what you need to do is you need to click on try another way. So you click on try another way. So when you click on try another way, guys, as you can see here, how I highlight it. So when you click on try on another way, the next thing now is you will click on the mail you want to use, like input and everything, guys, and then you click on continue. So chicken is that it, guys? Yes, guys. So it is not something complicated. So when you click on continue, voila, you already have yourself a Taobao account. But when you get to this section right here, when you get to this screen, you are not done yet. Yes, you are not done yet. It's just as you are 80% done. So the next thing now you need to do is you need to click on this section right here. So when you click on this section right here, the next thing now is you have this screen. So when you have this screen, so what it means is that you need to input a nickname. So like just like for an example now, if you have created a Jumia account or any other account before, there's always like a nickname that they will know you as a nickname. So you need to have a nickname, guys. So you see this open space right here that I highlight, guys. So what you need to do is fill in the like what's it called, your nickname there. But I do advise you can use like a Chinese name or anything, but it just depends. You can use anything, but I do advise to use like a Chinese name. So as you can see here, even here, because I'm registered for my sister, guys, as you can see, yes, guys. So as you can see here, it says Sima 12 or anything. So that is the username, like that's just like a nickname. So that's just it. So when you click on this section right here, the next thing is, so when you fill this section right here, the next thing is click on this orange screen right here. So as you can see, I already highlighted, guys. So when you click on it, the next thing now is done. So you have yourself a Taobao account, guys. So when you are done with this step, trust me, the rest is like very easy, guys. So when you are done with this step, so what you need to do now is, if you don't have a 16-minute account, download 16-minute, and then when you want to log in, just click on Taobao. So you just link your Taobao together with your 16-minute, and it is very, very easy. Like very, very easy things to do, guys. So after you do that, then you have yourself a 16-minute account. So you can do this step within like 10 minutes and you'll be done. Yes, like 10 minutes and you'll be done, guys. So this is not something complicated at all. So what you just need to do is follow the exact step I did, guys. So that is why I even highlight some so that you can see that, oh, this is exactly what I pressed, guys. So that's just it, guys. So if you still have more questions about this, like you don't understand, then so make sure you drop a comment, guys, and I will reply you on what you are having issue with, guys. So thank you for watching another episode, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.